In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from projects in Asana. This is helpful when someone no longer needs access to a project, when you're tightening permissions, or when you're keeping your workspace tidy. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share a few pointers so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. Start by opening the project in Asana. You can do this from your sidebar, your home view, or the search bar. Make sure you're in the correct project by checking the title at the top. If you manage multiple projects with similar names, it's worth pausing for a second to confirm you're in the right place. Next, look to the top right of the project and click the Share button. Depending on your layout or screen size, it might show as a button labeled Share or as an icon with a person and a plus sign. This opens the sharing panel where all current project members and their roles are listed. If you don't see the Share option, you may not have permission to manage members. In that case, a project owner or someone with higher access will need to make the change. Now find the member you want to remove in the list. The panel typically shows names and roles and may include avatars or email hints, which helps when people have similar names. If the list is long, use the search field at the top of the panel to quickly locate the person. Once you've found them, click the small drop-down arrow next to their role. You'll see options related to their access. From here, choose Remove from Project. In some views, you might also see a simple X next to their name. Clicking that removes them as well. Asana may prompt you to confirm the removal. After you confirm, that person immediately loses access to this project and its conversations, files, and tasks within this project. A couple of important notes. Removing someone from a project does not delete their Asana account, and it does not remove the project itself. It also doesn't necessarily remove tasks they created or were involved in. Those items remain in the project, so your work history stays intact. This action affects only this single project. If the person is part of your broader team, they may still see other projects they belong to. If you remove someone by mistake, you can invite them back later using the same share panel. That's all there is to it. Open the project, click Share, find the person, open their role drop down, and select Remove from Project. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace organized with clear, intentional access.